I will make you a sunset view. I will make it so you're gonna want to. With your arms involved in me.
Hi guys, it's Dana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna get my life together, or I'm gonna try. It's already 1:20. My friend Lauren was here visiting and she just left, so get some Starbucks and then come back here, clean my room and like do homework and stuff. So yeah, I'll vlog a little more when I actually go to Starbucks. I'm meeting up with some friends too. We will talk later. I'm gonna vlog from a really weird angle, but I'm vlogging from like my phone. I've never vlogged in public. Also, I have a really far walk to Starbucks, but it's okay. It's okay. But look, this is my view. How cute.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hey vlog. I just got back to my room. It is, what time is it? It's been an hour since I left. I think I'm gonna like watch a YouTube video because I'm a little stressed out with how much I need to do. And then I think I'm gonna clean my room. Guys, I went to go visit Evyn at Starbucks at the bookstore and like, I forgot to vlog it, but like, she wrote my name with little hearts. Like, how cute. I love Evyn. Shout out to you, Ev. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my room because it's a little bit messy. Just a little bit. I have 4 boxes of pizza. I need to stop eating pizza. I'm a little, but yeah, I'm gonna lay down for probably like 5-10 minutes and then start like getting my life together, I guess. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys after I watch my YouTube videos. Actually, I'm just gonna like,
That's my way. But then I saw you in a dream, right? I wanna call you. I kind of feel that I can't name. I can't name. It's strange, but I don't need space from you. In every single thing you do, I like. I've been chased. Maybe I just knew I had to wait for you. Draw a knife and carve a little space for you. It feels nice.
guys, I'm back. I just finished cleaning my room. I also changed because I felt like I should be in, I don't know, different clothes. Most people change into comfy clothes, but I'm gonna go to the library to do homework and stuff and then possibly go to the gym. So I packed my bag up. This is my room after picking up and cleaning. I still need to take out my, or finish that pizza and then kind of clean up that area. But I switched out the pot for my succulent that Ray gave me, and look, it just matches my aesthetic and I'm really happy about it. So I'm going to Starbucks again because I am crazy and I love Starbucks. So I'm gonna go to Starbucks and then get stuff and then probably go to the library first. I'm gonna go to the library first. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit.
In my own place, I got no room for no man. That's my way. That's my way.
So it's literally midnight. I just got done. I'm not even done doing homework. I need to do one more assignment home from Alicia's. I didn't end up going to the gym. I actually went to the church with her for the first time in actually like 8 months. Not with Alicia, but just going to church in general. So I don't even know if you guys can see me, but yeah, it's dark. It's not scary, but I mean, look, like, and I'm alone. At least I think. Oh, you know what's behind me? Yeah, I know what's behind me. This lighting is probably really bad, but like, I will catch up with you guys in my room. Okay, hey guys. So I literally just got home. It's 12:30. This is what college is like. I still have one more assignment to do and then I'm gonna go to bed. I've been busy, I know, I say this literally every video, oh, once a week, blah 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 blah, but seriously, it's so hard when I film on my phone, you guys. Like, not only do I forget that I film on my phone, but I clear up a lot of space on my phone so that I can actually film. And it's kind of hard because like I want to like keep all the like pictures and whatnot, but I'm hopefully getting a camera soon. My mom has one that I'm gonna be using. I just need to buy a new lens, which I'm saving up for. So, and I still want, she has like an actual camera, like a Canon, well, all cameras are camera, but like it's one that you can take for pictures and videos, whereas like the vlogging camera that everyone has, like I'm pretty sure only takes videos, and it's a lot smaller. It's like this big, which I want both, but I like, if I was paying for my own, I would rather buy the vlogging camera because it's cheaper and it's small. It's like perfect. I don't need anything huge or anything, but my mom already has that camera, so why not use it? So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment videos down below. I will be doing I think I'm gonna film probably Tuesday. I'm gonna film Tuesday a new video, so hopefully this video will be up tomorrow, so then Tuesday I can film and then edit it either Wednesday or Thursday and have it up by Friday. So I'll give you guys 2 videos this week, hopefully. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment what you guys want to see, and yeah, I'm so tired. Good night, guys.
Sometimes you gotta love somebody from afar. Baby, it ain't cute when you fuck with my heart.